So hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how we can make email slicer using Python. So what is email slicer? Here we will pass the email ID and it will give us username and domain name. Basically it will slice that email ID into two parts. One is username, second is domain name. So let's see the code. I'm creating new project and I'm using here PyCharm and naming like email slicer. Yeah, so our project is ready. So first I'm taking one variable like email address and taking input from user like and enter your email address, and here I will use a strip function. Basically I am using this function. This will help us to remove all the unwanted spaces. In the next line we just need to do like username. Here we are going to do the slicing. So email address, and I'm slicing this string. So for this, here colon and ending index, which should be email address dot index @ So that means our ending index should be where that @ will come. Before that it will run. I will explain this line using one example, then you will get more clear on that. Another, I'm taking one domain like email address. So here after @ we will print all the things. So here we have to write the starting index, which should email address dot index, email address dot index, and here we have to take +1 because after that it will run. Yeah, that's it. Now we just need to print our result here. So I am using f string. As I have already told, this is used for when we want any changement in the runtime, then we use this literal here. So we just need to write like your username, and in curly braces we will pass the username and domain name, domain. So here this f is helping us to pass the value in username and domain name in runtime. So now let me clarify this two lines, how we are slicing our email. So before that we are just running this program and checking. Yeah, here suppose I'm taking like rajatupd@gmail.com. So here you can see our username is rajatupd and domain name is gmail.com. So let me clarify these two lines of slicing. I'm commenting all the code. So here suppose I'm taking one string like mastermind and I'm doing slicing operation here. So I have to just do like, so as you already know that here for slicing we use colon. So in the left hand side we pass the starting index, in the right hand side we pass the ending index. So here if we are not going to pass anything, then it will take 0. So from 0 to, suppose I am taking here 3, so that will run 0 1 2. That means it will print MAS 0 1 2. That means 3 minus 1 2. So if you will see the here result MAS, that means starting index is here 0 and end index is 2. 0 1 2. That's it. So now we will see if we will print. Suppose we have to print this part Then we have to define the starting index, like I'm defining like 3. It will take the whole string after that. So we will see, yeah, you can see here, if we'll check the indexing number, so M is 0, A is 1, S is 2 and T is 3. So it is taking from T and printing like termine, like this I have taken here. You can see here we don't know the exact index number, so what we have did, we have call where at the rate will come, that index it will take. So in this example, let me run. Suppose I'm taking Rajat @gmail.com. so here it will take R means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will run from 0 to 8, that means Rajat UPD. And after that, for domain name, what we have did, @ is in 8 state, so we have just +1 and printed all the domain name. I hope you have understand this thing. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel for this type of more video. Thank you so much guys for watching.